If you want to set up an alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to open the clock app, which you should be able to find somewhere in the app drawer. Once we go to the clock app, you want to make sure that the alarm category is selected, or tab, and then in here, of course, we can easily create an alarm clock by using this plus button on the right side. Over here, we need to decide when the alarm should go off. We can also create a schedule for the alarm, so it can go off every selected day. You can of course select all days if you want to. If you want it to go off every day, you can also tap on this calendar in order to choose a very specific date at which the alarm should go off. And of course we can create a label for the alarm, so we can name it however you want to. We have the sound settings, so you can choose a different sound for the alarm. We have the vibration settings, snooze options, alarm groups, and the background for the alarm as well. Now once you set everything up, you can just tap on save, and there we go. The alarm has been set up. When it's enabled, you can see when the next alarm goes off. In my case, it says over here at the top, but also when you enable it, you get a quick message here at the bottom of the screen. You can still customize the alarm if you want to. If you tap on it over here, then of course you should be able to make some additional changes in case you want to. You can of course find this already created alarm. You should have at least one alarm, but of course you can delete it as well. For example, we can press and hold our finger in order to select an alarm, and then over here at the bottom we have the delete option. You can select multiple alarms in order to delete all of them. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.